Bang, bang, bang. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Warning, there'll be excessive smoking, drinking, and swearing. If you can't handle it, leave now. Bang, bang, bang. My name is Shamari Clark. Bang. Welcome. Welcome, folks. Alrighty then. So, it was a pretty chill day on the markets. A lot of little tidbit stories, little tiny little things happened. So, but nothing spectacular. So, in the UK, they're going to start regulating their crypto. So a bunch of guys, are trying to make sure that the MPs over there, the members of parliament, that's like their senators and their congressmen here, their guys, take it easy. Take it easy over there, right? What else happened today? I don't know, man. A bunch of little crap. Oh, what else? Anyways, so it was just a little day. So just a basic day. So we are just gonna breeze quickly. This will probably go quickly. These aren't like stories where I can tell Noah stories or something. So, excuse me. Well, it's all right. So let's go. Story number one, we are going to have an update on the Coinbase IPO. Coinbase IPO. Not good news there. All right, but here's some good news. Tron hodlers. Tron is growing in Asia. Bang, bang, it's booming. And we also have some other just Tron news in general. It's perfect on a day like today. Justin Sun, he does the weekly update thing. So today when there wasn't much news, I was like, hey, what was Justin Sun's update thing this week? So basically that's what it is. We're just going to do the Justin Sun update. But they're growing in Asia. And then we're going to do the Justin Sun news stuff. Bang! And then JP Morgan, look at this sons of bitches. So Jamie Dimon, he runs JP Morgan. He's always talking shit about Bitcoin. Oh, yeah. But what's the company actually doing, though? We are going to read about that. And one of his guys even admitted it. They said they love a crypto. There's one crypto out there that they love. And I'm going to reveal the magic crypto. Bang! In the story. So let us begin how we begin with our usual bang. Look at the markets. Let's do a usual refresh to get the newest numbers. Okay. Look at these numbers, right? Like, it only went up 2.62%, but look at the skyrocket. Like, the way their charts are, they're so dramatic, right? The scaling is off. Anyways, whatever. That's just a little thing I noticed. All right. Let me begin. All right, let's look at our top 10 by market cap. We got the usual suspects. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoin, Cardano, Tether, and Monero. Bang, still holding on the number 10. Now let's look at the total market. We have sid to mid single digits up. Low to mid single digits up. Low to mid single digits up. Low to mid single digits up. Hey, let's speed this up a little bit here, buddy. Low to mid single digits up. Oh, Zcash had good news today. Low to mid single digits up. Low to mid single digits up. All right, let's look at the top 10 losers of the day, if there were any. Bang. All right, Ravencoin, top 10 loser of the day. Ravencoin, Mithril, Siacoin, Wax, Monocoin, Dash, Komodo, Kryptonex, and Basic Attention. Bang. All right. Let's look at the top 10 winners of the day. Gainers. Ooh, there's some gain right there, son. Bang, bang. Tentacoin at 30%. Digit Futures at 20. All right. True. All right. Top 10 earners of the day are Dentacoin, Digitex Futures, Chainlink, Horizon, Loom Network, Dropple, Nebulous, Populous, and MOAC. All right. With hearty earnings, all of them. All right. Still, market cap, still just at the 208 billion. Volume, still shitty, about 11 billion. Not about, it is 11. Let's call that 12, 11.8 billion, 11.8 billion in volume today. All right. Don't forget, boys. All that over-the-counter buying is happening behind the scenes that don't get shown in these numbers. Bang. Now, let's look at this. Bang. Oh, this sucks. Coinbase Exec denies plans for IPO anytime soon, but he did reveal plans to add up to 300 coins. So it's a good bad story. The IPO thing, that sucks. I was looking forward to that. But the 300 coin things, woohoo! So just read that for a second, boys. Read that for a sec. Yeah, the IPO thing. Anyways, man, I don't really care about the IPO thing. Hell, when I sell some of this warehouse, they'll probably be IPOing around then, so I'll have more money to grab more of their IPO. So take your time with that IPO. I could care less, really. I mean, though I'm excited about it, I am going to get in. I mean, don't get me wrong, but these cryptos will probably make way more than you'd earn on an IPO anyway. Like in terms of a quick kill, I mean, I'm planning to hold the Coinbase stuff. I'm not going to use it for a quick kill, but anyway, whatever. Come on. So, they denied it. Let's check it out. Major U.S. cryptocurrency exchange and wallet provider Coinbase will not perform an initial public offering anytime soon, the company's president and COO, Asif Hirji, told Bloomberg today, October 31st. Speaking to Bloomberg TV, so at least, see, this is the kind of news we like because we're hearing it from the actual president of Coinbase. So, you know, wow, not that CEOs and these guys don't lie. You guys know all about that already, but just, you know. Anyways, man, so speaking to Bloomberg TV, Hirij, who himself was the first to hint about the potential for an IPO in 2017, said that while the company would go public at some point, oh, you're damn right, they're going to go public. That's not a question. It's just a question of when. Of course Coinbase is going to go. Coinbase backed Binance. One of the brothers brought up that other exchange to me, the one that TD Ameritrade's part of, something X, I think it was called. They're all going to go fucking public. That's for sure. At some point, it was not even okay. So I've interrupted midway. So let me start again. So the guy said that while the company would go public at some point, it was not even close to the top of its list of priorities. He confirmed to reporters today, there's not going to be an IPO anytime soon. We have so much to do. I mean, you know how I feel about Coinbase. They're tricky little bastards, right? Remember? They were like, oh, yeah, we're going to apply for custody services to be a custodian. And then the next Monday, that was a Friday. Then the next Monday they came out, boom, oh, we have custody. You know, plus guys are sneaky. They don't like to tell their competitors what they're doing, right? So just take this with a grain of salt, especially from Coinbase, the way they do. But I believe them. They're whatever. We'll see. Last week, CNBC host Rand Neuner reignited rumors Coinbase would officially confirm its IPO plans after claiming on his Crypto Trader show would be exclusively divulging the details on October 26th. That did not come to pass, however. Hirji instead saying executives wanted to diversify revenue streams across its various platforms in the coming years. Coinbase was valued at $8 billion this week after completing a new funding round that raised $300 million. Going forward, Hirji continued, Coinbase would seek to circumvent complex U.S. regulations on cryptocurrency tokens by offering non-residents more assets to trade. We offer 7 cryptocurrencies, so you should expect us to go from 7 to that total number we think is worth it, 200 to 300 over the next year or so, he said, adding, some things will be offered in the U.S., but more things will probably be offered outside the U.S. Yeah. You see, that's our problem, right? These guys have to decide, are these securities or are they commodities? Like, so Coinbase can't offer everything to us like that. And so what he's saying is, though, so you guys over there in Europe, our brothers in Europe, our brothers in Asia, our brothers in England, you guys are probably going to see a bit more of the coin offerings, but you can expect, what did he say? He said the magic number for them, 200 to 300 tokens. They're talking. They're not playing games. In fact, I read an article about this exact story earlier, and they were saying, one guy said they might offer 2,013 tokens. But anyways, this is from Hergé's mouth himself. So it's better to go with this guy. So the move copies fellow exchange Bittrex. One guy got angry at me one day. It's not Bittrex, it's Bittrex. Which announced the segregation of its U.S. and international clients base this week via a separate platform registered in Malta. So anyways, man, eventually we'll get these. But these are the problems, man. We need these flipping politicians to get on it and regulate properly. But so the point being, guys, forget about that IPO. Take that IPO money you were going to use and bang, grab you some more coin, build your warehouse nice, build it huge, and bang, bang. Let's see what the tsunami, it's coming nicely. And it's because of things like this that we're going to be rich. Bang, because your tokens are growing in Asia. All right. Tron hodlers. Full disclosure, I'm a Tron hodler. And man, I know a lot of the brothers are Tron hodlers. So, let's check out the hodlings. Tron growing in... Oh, yeah, you read that. Read that. You guys read that. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. This guy, Justin Sun, doesn't stop. It's new thing after new thing after new thing. He's rocking and rolling over there, man. I don't know what else to say. Just rocking and rolling, buddy. He's getting her done. Indeed. Every week. So, Tron growing on South Asian markets. Japan. I believe they meant to say especially Japan. Let's check it out. Bang, bang, bang. Justin Sun continues to accumulate positive news for Tron TRX. On October 29th, 2018, the Tron Foundation published its weekly report, summarizing on the weekly results from October 20th to the 26th. According to the report, Tron is working hard on expanding its platform. The focus is now on Asian markets, which they expect to strengthen in the coming months. CZ to Tron, good things. Oh, okay. So, blah, blah, blah. Tron gave $3 million to Binance's charity thing. All right, we don't have to read about that. They gave $3 million. But here's the kind of stuff I want to read. Bang! Japan's interest in Tron just keeps a-growing. Tron also commented that the Asian community had shown a growing interest in this cryptocurrency. They announced the release of the 4th episode of a series of videos aimed at promoting the currency in the Japanese market. Hey, brother, I'm just doing my show right now. Come back in 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I'm doing my show. Okay. All right. The 4th episode of the introduction video series for the Japanese community was released. The series aims to introduce Tron to the Japanese community in detail through interviews between the Tron mascot and the host, showing the development of Tron to the community members in a vivid way. They also remarked that they had allied with Chinese company Bishiji.com. According to the report, both companies organized a big giveaway for the whole community. Bang! So that's what Tron's doing like that. And developers, bang, bang, computer programmers, Justin Williams, get on in there, brah. Development on the Tron blockchain has also increased considerably. According to the report, 350 developers joined Tron's official Discord. 33 exchanges completed version 3.1.2 upgrade, and D-apps such as Last Trip, Tron Dice, and TronBet were successfully deployed on the blockchain. It is also important to note that a few hours ago, Justin Sun announced that Tron had teamed up with Joiso to build a sustainable, decentralized blockchain environment. I'm not going to read this whole last part here. Am I? Anyway, Joiso is a hybrid decentralized exchange founded by Tom Sung in mid-2018. With this partnership, users will have a 50% discount in the processing fees, stimulating their mobility. Also, thanks to the decision, Joiso will implement an off-chain matching and on-chain payments where the users of the system will have the opportunity to exchange the tokens directly using their digital wallets, according to Global Coin Report. And they got a new super representative, whatever. So bang, that's what Tron's up to. They're up to all manners of stuff, growing in Japan, giving out money in donations. Bang, bang, bang. All right, Tron. All right, and then lastly, bang, JP Morgan. They say we are big believers in Ethereum, for real. That's some good news there. Get your Ethereums. Oh, get your Ethereums. I mean, I already told you. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, we already know. They've already been classified as commodities, so they're going to fly. Obviously, there's no restrictions, right? On their buying them, selling them, holding them, whatever you want to do with them, you're allowed to do. That's the problem, right? That's why Coinbase, that's why they said, yeah, we're going to offer more coins overseas than to Americans, because they don't know if they're going to get in trouble offering something, right? They don't know if it's a commodity or a security. So they're not allowed. And that's the problem, right? I mean, technically, it's just a problem for them. I mean, if you want your coin, you can just go get it at Binance and done. Like, it's not a big deal for us, the buyer, the consumer, but but I'm not going to lie. Like I said, as soon as Coinbase has the coins that I own on their platform here, I'm bringing my coins home. Bringing them home to America, where they're FDIC insured, up to $250,000, or I can sue a motherfucker if something goes bad. All right, let's listen to JP Morgan. Oh, and this guy, Jamie Dimon, he's the CEO. All right, we'll read, and I'll talk about this motherfucker in a minute. He's just like Blankfein, right? They just talk shit. So why is your company building a fucking trading desk then, bro? Why are you poaching other people's crypto? Come on. Just stop lying. Stop it. We see what you're doing. You know what I mean? It's like someone's peeing on your leg and you're like, hey, stop it. And they're like, what? You're like, peeing on me. And they're like, I'm not peeing on you. You're like, dude, you're peeing on my foot, right? Like, that's a stupid example, but do you know what I'm saying? Someone just lying to your face and you can see what they're doing. Like, you know, like you catch a kid stealing a cookie. You're like, hey, stop stealing cookies. The kid's like, I'm not stealing a cookie, as he takes it out of the... All right, guys. Oh, the fuel's kicking in a little bit, I think. Hold on. It is. I'm feeling happy right now. Oh, boys. All right, guys. Brothers, my fellow crypto warriors, watch this. JP Morgan just gave a ringing endorsement to Ethereum. And you know what JP Morgan's going to be doing. If they love Ethereum, oh, you know they're going to be offering Ethereum futures, Ethereum ETFs, all manner of Ethereum-based stuff. So buy your Ethereum now. Yes, sir. JP Morgan. If they say they love it, they just straight up said that. Check this out. They gave a ring endorsement to Ethereum, but the company's CEO is not done trashing Bitcoin. Jamie Dimon doesn't stop. Anyways, we'll read it. The financial giant is making strides with Quorum, which is the firm's enterprise version of the Ethereum blockchain. As reported by the Australian Financial Review, Quorum will be used to essentially tokenize gold bars on the Ethereum network. All right. According to JP Morgan, according to JP Morgan's New York-based head of blockchain initiatives, Umar Farouk, he said, there are people outside our firm using Quorum to tokenize gold, for instance. They wrap a gold bar into a tamper-proof case electronically tagged, and they can track the gold bar from the mine to endpoint, with the use case being, if you know it's a socially responsible mine, someone will be willing to pay a higher spread on that gold versus if you don't know where it comes from. Diamonds is another example, doing the same thing with diamonds. Farouk says, Quorum is a flagship product for JP Morgan, and he isn't shy about his affection for Ethereum. We are the only financial player that owns the entire stack, from the application to the protocol. And he says, we are big believers in Ethereum. Bang, 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 bang. Big believers in Ethereum. Okay, and so here's this part. So this is Jamie Dimon. He's the CEO of JP Morgan. Oh my gosh. Listen to this crap. This happened just the other day. Meanwhile, JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon continues to sing a much different tune on Bitcoin. According to The Next Web, Dimon was recently asked about his thoughts on Bitcoin. Asked if he has changed his mind about Bitcoin in the Axios conference in LA, Dimon quashed earlier reports of softening his stance on Bitcoin. I never changed what I said. I just regret having said that, he said. I didn't want to be the spokesperson against Bitcoin. I just don't give a fuck. That's the point. But he went on. Actually, I read the whole article. I read the whole interview that he said, and what he was trying to. That's what he was trying to say. He was trying to say, like, look, don't make me the bad guy against Bitcoin. I'm not saying I don't like Bitcoin. I'm just saying I don't give a fuck about Bitcoin. You see how he switched it up? He did say he didn't like it. He said it was a full scam. Now he's saying, nah, man. I'm just saying I don't give a shit about it. That's all. So, Dimon also stuck by the blockchain, not Bitcoin proposition that the entire banking industry espouses. And he said blockchain is real. It's a technology. But Bitcoin isn't the same as fiat currency. All right. So, guys, JP Morgan's coming out with their thing. And really, I brought this up for Ethereum hodlers, of which I have major Ethereum. Before I even knew about Ripples and Stellars and all these other things, I only knew about Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So I have a bunch of Ethereums. Bang, it's good news. If you are an Ethereum hodler, JP Morgan, they said they're big. So you know what that means. Next year, I bet you they'll be coming out with ETFs, futures, this fund, that fund. If they believe in it like they say they do, they will. So, bang, let's go to shout-outs and airdrops. Like I said, pretty easy day, pretty quick. Nothing special. Nothing special. Bang. There's Bob. Look. There hasn't been any new subscribers lately, so you should know by now. If you're here, go to @Bob844111320 and get airdrops. Free coins. Read the top 3 tutorials. Bang. And dive in. There's Bob. What's he doing? Legendary coin. Bang. Oh, he just did this 53 seconds ago, actually. So he's awake right now. It's 1:31 in the AM here. All right, let's shout out. Who do we got? Stephen Holt. Bang. See you, brother. Don B. New guy. Bang. See you, brother. Bonkers. Airdropper. Bang, bang, bang. Wait, I got to do a bang, bang, bang. You see how he's got that bang, bang, bang? Yes. Harold Trader, CEO, Prestige Trade Stocks. What does he say? If I disagree with your position, please do not take it personal. Exactly. That's the way to say it. You know, don't have to be all rude about stuff if you disagree with stuff. Jeez. All right, who do we got? Oh, yeah, this guy. Oh, girl. Is that a girl? Sadiqa. Oh, girl. Sadiqa Afrinanandi. Bang, see you, girl. And we saw these guys yesterday. Staking pools and one more. Bang, Virgil Mary Global. All right, so that is pretty much it for today. It was just a little quickie. Yeah, that was how the markets were today. Just kind of, I don't know, nothing too special. So, Tron, hodlers, loving it, growing. No Coinbase IPO, but who gives a shit? Just take that money you were going to use for that IPO. Bang, get your warehouse nice and bigger. Make it even bigger. That's all I'm going to do. I don't even give a shit. I told you guys, I'm not even going to start cashing out this stuff till probably Q3. Oh, my bad. Q4 of 2020. And so if they hold off their IPO till 2021, that'll be great. I'll just have extra money to buy their IPO with. So will you. So bang. All right. And JP Morgan loves Ethereum. So get on that Ethereum, boys, because you know JP Morgan's a major player in the markets, at least here in America. Well, actually globally in the world. So you know they're going to build some sort of product to, if they love Ethereum, to get Ethereum going. So, guys, that's it. Let us get you back to your wives and lives while I shill it and kill it. Bang, brothers. Please subscribe below. press the bell, and you will get automatic updates to this show. Luck. I love doing this show. It's my favorite time of my day because I get to bang, drink and act silly and just talk shit. Well, not shit, but talk money. I love it. You know, all your friends, they don't listen to all that stuff, right? I got friends, they don't listen to the money talk. You know, they're like, fuck off, who cares? Did you see the new episode of blah, 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 blah? I say, fuck, who cares about that? So anyways, bang, guys. Press the button, subscribe, press the bell. And I will see you tomorrow. Luck. My name is Shamari Clark, and I'm always on duty. Bang. Always on duty. Over and out.